Billions of dollars change hands in the stock market every day. That's probably what drew you to it. You knew the market was a wealth generator, you knew you wanted to be involved, but what you didn't know was how to get started. You probably fumbled around on YouTube, you picked up a ton of tips and tricks, so you felt pretty confident and you decided to take a stab at placing live trades in the market. And it was at that moment you realized you had no idea what you were doing. Well, you're not alone. Here are some common mistakes traders make when they're first starting out. They pull information from a ton of different sources, YouTube, Google, you name it. They jump directly into live trading and start trading real money in the market. They don't have a clear strategy or trading plan, and they don't have a mentor or any type of support group to rely on. Hi, I'm Scott Williams with Relentless Trading. All those mistakes I just mentioned, I made every one. I'd been investing in other sectors for a few years when I decided the next big thing for me was going to be stock options. I scoured YouTube for a couple months. I picked a brokerage. I threw some money in my account and I started placing trades. And the worst thing possible happened. I won. I won like 2 trades in a row. I thought I was a genius and I thought I had cracked the code. Please let the record show I was not a genius. Those wins were quickly followed up by a handful of losses. I was making every mistake in the book. Only buying short-term options contracts, risking way more in each trade than I should have been. I had no real trading plan, and I had no mentor to reach out to when I had questions. And trust me, I had a lot of questions. I rode that struggle bus for a couple years until I had finally had enough. I decided to enroll in a 14-month stock program. It was just over $20,000, which is a lot more than most people are willing to spend. But I wanted to learn from the pros. I learned everything from covered calls to ratio back spreads, from Forex to futures. What I learned is there's a lot of noise in the market, and I think it's the main reason new traders are not successful. They're getting pulled in all sorts of different directions, and they rarely land on a strategy that works for them long term. I also learned that in order to cut out a lot of that noise and shortcut that learning curve, you need to buy a course. Seriously, whether it's ours or someone else's, do your research, find a course you like, and buy it. You'll save so much time by not endlessly searching YouTube. Trust me, you're going to thank me later. So let's cut to the chase, talk about why people like our course and why people don't like it. The reason people like our system is because it works. It's relatively simple to understand and execute, and it provides consistent cash flow. It's also limited risk with a decent return. What it also does for new traders is it slows down the game a little bit. It takes some of the adrenaline out of it. On average, these are 30-day swing trades, so the daily volatility in the market doesn't affect you that much, and that allows you to be mindful of your trading plan and the rules you've set for yourself. And you don't have to do it full time. Once you understand the system, it will take you about 15 minutes a day on average to manage and place your trades. The reason people don't like our system, it's not sexy, it's not high adrenaline, and our system won't make you an overnight millionaire. Those types of quick returns are just not possible using these strategies. Someone once asked Warren Buffett, "Your system is so simple, why doesn't everyone do it?" He said it's because most people don't want to get rich slowly. So here's the offer. For a limited time, the course is $299, and we offer a money-back guarantee. Check out the course, try our proven stock option strategies, and if you decide it's not for you, no harm done. We think you'll find tremendous value in our program, and it will open the door to the wide world of stock options. Click the link below to get started, and we'll see you in the lion's den.